Okay guys, me and my friend Dylan are gonna be redoing the jump line here. We're gonna be redoing it, making this jump bigger here, and making the berm bigger too. So here we go. Okay guys, we've got the lip shaped and kind of packed in. So now it goes like this. Now we're just gonna pack in a bit more and then put a little more dirt on the landing. Okay, going to get some dirt for the landing. We finished the lip, finished packing it in. I want to get some dirt.
Okay, so we got the dirt and now I'm going to start smoothing things out.
So here we go. Okay, we got this finished and packed in. So now we're going to work on the second jump. It's right behind you guys. Right there. So here we go. Okay, we finished up this lip here, and the landing down there doesn't need to be repaired because it's already good. And then there's a big berm at the bottom that needs to be bigger, so we're gonna make it bigger. Okay guys, we just finished it. Now we're just packing in with our bikes and then we're gonna do some test runs.